The origins of modern-day Halloween trace back to Alberta, Canada in 1927, where the Herald newspaper noted, "The youthful tormentors were demanding edible plunder by the word trick or treat, to which the inmates gladly responded and sent the robbers away rejoicing." As we approach Halloween, we are faced with much more aggressive tormentors than first surfaced in Canada in 1927. The tormentors upon the market have multiplied over the last quarter. The weakness in commodities has accelerated, and the pain we've predicted in the levered energy sector is coming to fruition. Credit concerns have spread beyond just energy as deeply cyclical industrial names have entered their own recession. Global deflationary concerns have again come to the forefront, and emerging market economies have accelerated to the downside. Additionally, political grandstanding ahead of the 2016 elections has created material uncertainty regarding the rules changing in many sectors, specifically biotechnology. All of these tormentors are now demanding treats from the market. In an attempt to offer a treat, Janet Yellen and the Fed decided to forego raising interest rates in September. Critically, the Fed acknowledged the weakness in emerging markets in the prepared remarks. In our view, the Fed made a critical error in this shift in policy. In shifting emphasis from the domestic employment and inflation picture, the Fed has painted itself in a corner as the global central bank. With the Fed policy rate at zero and tasked with a tightening bias, Yellen faces the predicament of a house that has no candy, with a group of rowdy, sugar-loaded teenagers at the doorstep. Words without immediate action will do little to placate the tormentors. Future volatility or tricks on the market are likely to be commonplace until more clarity exists regarding global growth and Fed policy, now intertwined. Bahl Gaynor's thesis remains that Janet Yellen faces a globally unstable economic picture with no real precedent. We view the extreme weakness in highly levered corporations and countries now represents a plop, or a permanent loss of principle. We continue to view that the foundation of any investment thesis needs to be built on well-capitalized companies that have the ability to withstand volatility and not be captive to the global tormentors. We encourage you to read our full-length outlook, Trick or Treat, where we expand on these themes and its impact on our investment strategies.